Hello and welcome to softexpert. Today in this short video I will show you how to add 3D flipboxes in WordPress website using free Elementor. We will be using a simple free plugin which has lots of demos available for this 3D flipboxes. And let's have a look at the demos available that we can create using this free plugin, and then we will see how we can create it using free Elementor. So to explore the demos and to download the plugin, just follow this link in the description and you can see flipboxes with an amazing effects. We can create these type of boxes using this free plugin. Here on the HUD you can see we have the description and then a read more, and we have different colors. Obviously we can customize these colors, we can customize the text, we can have only text and only read more. We can even link this whole box to a page or any external link. Let's scroll down. This is another one where you can display a theme like this with click OK. So if I click here, this will show more info like these, and you can notice the 3D play boxes as well. Then scroll down. This is another example. I am just showing you and then we will see how we can create it. Okay, these are some images examples. Then we have icons with different clips. Then we have gradient examples. Again we can change the colors, and then these are with specific heights, and zoom in effect, push, slide, zoom out, fade. You can customize these based on your needs. And then we have vertical position, so bottom position, middle and top position. And then border examples and so on. Now let me show you how we can download this plugin and then how we can use it. And before that, if you want to copy any of these to your website, you can just click on this live copy and then you can paste them on your website and you can customize them. I'll show you that later on. So again, to download this plugin, just follow the link in the description and you can explore all the elements available in this free plugin. If you need any of them, you can just enable them and then you can use them. And to download the plugin, just click on download free here, and you will get a zip file like this that you can upload to your WordPress dashboard. I already have done this, let me show you. And to upload that plugin, just go to plugins, add new, then click upload plugin and choose file, and then select the plugin that you have downloaded. Okay, you will get a file like this, BT themes Elementspack Lite. Okay, just click open and then install now. Okay, I already have this plugin. You can see once you install and activate this plugin, you will see a new tab here, Elementspack. Just click on it. And here you can explore its core widgets, third-party widgets, extensions and other settings. Here you can search for a specific widget, you can filter them by free and pro, and you can enable and disable the elements that you need. Now in this video we are going with flip boxes, so let's search for that and make sure to enable this flip box. Okay, and by the way, I already have a video about step flow where you can create process steps and then save changes and settings saved. Now we can use this in our Elementor page builder. Let's create a page or edit any page with Elementor. So I'll add a new page, and by the way, I am using free Elementor. Okay, I'll call this page flipbox and we'll edit it with Elementor. Now let's see how we can add those boxes. Before that, let's create a structure. So I'll use this 3-column layout, and then we'll go to all elements and we'll search for flipbox. And here you can notice that flipbox is available in Elementor Pro, but with this plugin we can add it for free. So let's add it here, and instantly you will get this look. Okay, so we have this icon, heading and then text, same here. Now let's see how we can customize it. If you want to change this icon, just click here and choose another icon, let's say this one, and you can see the icon has changed. You can change the icon view also, like this one, and then you can change this heading here like this, and you can also change the text here. Okay, and then scroll down. Now this is the front side. Okay, if you want to customize the back side, go to back side and change this. Let's say this is back side, and you can notice the changes here. Okay, and to change the text, change it over here. Then this is the button text and the link. If you want, you can change them as well. Now you can see over here, you can change the button size to medium, large, and then scroll down. You can go to settings. If you want to give it a specific height, you can change it over here like this. Same goes for the border radius, these rounded corners. Okay, let's make it 350 and this is a flip effect. Okay, so I have showed you many in the demo, and if you want to change them, you can just change it here. This is now slide. Okay, and push, zoom in and zoom out, fade, and slide overflow. Okay, and here you can customize this transition, like the erasing type and then the duration and the hover or click. Okay, let's change it back to flip. Now if I change the duration, you can see much slower now. And if you want to change this to click instead of hover, you can change it over here. Okay, let's switch back to default. Now as I said, you can link this whole box to a specific page or external link. So for that you can use which is a refer link. Here you can write any link and this whole box will be linked to. Okay, for example, I'll write my website, so now this whole box will be linked to this website. Okay, now in the colors, the typography and also the backside color, you can go to style tab, and here you can do the changes for the front and the back end. Okay, so let's say I want to use another color for the icon, so I'll change it like this. Okay, then this is the icon size, the icon padding within this circle. Okay, let's remove them, and then if you want to make changes to the title, just go here and change the title spacing, color and typography. Same goes for description, color and typography. This is for the back side, where you can make changes to alignment, the position, the spacing, the colors and typography. This is for the button. Now this button is not looking good, so let's change its color to this one. Okay, now you can see over here. So in this way you can customize the colors, the typography of this flip box. Again, you can change the transition by going to content and settings and then change it over here. Now if you want to duplicate it, just copy it and paste it over here. Now you can change the icons and the text in these boxes. Okay, and lastly, if you want to copy them by the live copy option, you can just copy them. You can see copied. Then go back to your dashboard, and under other settings you will see this option, live copy paste. Just enable it and then scroll down and save changes. Now let's go back to that page, and I'll just publish it to save it. Okay, because we will need to refresh this page, so I'll refresh it. Now if I right click and paste from other side, just press Ctrl V, then scroll down, you got that section over here. Okay, so in this way you can copy from their demo website and you can paste it over here. So this was how you can create 3D flip boxes using free Elementor. And to learn more about WordPress and Elementor, just follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. And still, if you have any questions about this video, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.